the x-value of which function's x-intercept is smaller, k or L. L is given by the table and k by formula. From the table, we have to find x-intercept. For x-intercept, the y-coordinate is 0, and we have only for 3, x equals 3, L of 3 is equal 0. So we can write that L of 3 is equal 0. So x-intercept is 3. So we can write, we have that x is equal 3. And now we have to find the x-intercept for this function and choose the smaller number. We have logarithm function. The base is 10 and we have x minus 5 in parentheses. So first it's good to draw the graph of log of x function. And we have xy plane. The log of x passed by 1. This is the base is 10, so our function is going up. Something like this. When we have log of x minus 5, it means we have to move, when this is 1, 5 units to the right. So our x-intercepts will have to move 5 units, so will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the y-intercept for log of x minus 5 will be here. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to move 5 units to the right. Our graph, we have to move 5 units to right. So our graph is now something like this. And we see that k of 6 is equal 0. Let's check. We will have to substitute to our formula x by 6. So we have log of 6 minus 5 is equal 0. So log of 1 is equal 0. The base is 10. So from definition of log, this is equal 10, the base, to 0 is equal 1. Yes, 10 to power 0 is 1. 1 is equal 1. So everything is okay. For x equals 6, our function k intercept x-axis for x equals 6. And now we have to choose the smaller value. We have x equals 6 and x equals 3. So the smallest value is x equals 3. So the solution is that the x-intercept is smaller for L function because 3 is smaller than 6. So the solution is L function.